Hi guys, so welcome back to the solutions for this year's May 2024 CSEC Math Paper 2. So we're on question 1, finishing up the last two parts, part C and part D. So part C, the present population of Portsmouth is 550,000. It is expected that this population will increase by 42% by the year 2030. Write the number 550,000 in standard form, and this is worth 1 mark. So to convert a number to standard form, in this case $550,000, first we have to move the decimal point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 places to the left until we get a number that is between 1 and 10. So we get 5.5, and we have to multiply that by 10 to the power of the number of places that we moved in order to move the decimal point, which is 5. Okay, so it's 5.5 by 10 to the power 5 in standard form. Right, so that's an easy 1 mark. So let's look at part 2. Calculate the expected population of Portsmouth in 2030 for 1 mark. So they said that the population increases by 42% by the year 2030. So if the present population is 550,000, we just have to increase that number by 42%. So 550,000 plus 42%. So if we find 42% of 550,000, we can do this on our calculator. So 550,000 multiplied by 42%, that will give us 231,000. And if we add that to the 550,000 present population, we will get 781,000. And so that's the expected population in 2030. Okay, so let's go on to part D. The graph below can be used to convert between United States dollars and Eastern Caribbean dollars. So using the graph, we have to convert 2 US to EC dollars. So 2 US would be on the y-axis here. So if we go across to the line and then come down, right, we'll be able to read off the number of EC dollars that is equivalent to. Now the grid is kind of light, so we'll just have to estimate this. So since there are 1, 2, 3, 4 lines between 5 and 6, each one will be 0.2. So that's 520, 540, 560, 580. So this seems to be 530. Right? So therefore, US $2 is equivalent to EC $5.30. Okay, so that's just 1 mark to read off from the graph. So next we have to convert EC $70 to US dollars. So this time, all right, $70, notice that we don't have $70 on our graph, but we do have $7. So if I go up from the x-axis up to meet the line and then go across, that will give us the equivalent for 7 EC dollars. And I'm going to just multiply that value by 10 because we wanted to convert 70 EC to US. Okay, so 7 EC is equivalent to, that looks like 220, 240, 260 US dollars. All right, so if EC $7 is equivalent to US, all right, how much did we see again? That was $2.60 US. Then therefore EC $70 will be equivalent to US, and if I multiply that by 10, 260 multiplied by 10 will be $26 US.